Hi everyone! Today we'll be learning how to make this Gudetama Shaker Charm with a cork bottle. So first, make a yellow oval and flatten out the bottom. Pinch one of the sides to create a chubby cheek. Use a needle tool to make his butt. Create the legs by rolling out 2 dewdrop shapes. Attach them to the body and use a needle tool to gently blend the edges. Add 2 little ovals for the eyes. First place them onto the face and then use a silicone tool to adjust them into the right position. For the mouth, create a flat white oval. Cut off a small section of the curved area and place it onto the face. Roll out a really skinny black snake. Use it to create an outline for the mouth. Add a curve to one of the corners. For the arms, roll out a yellow snake and cut it in half. Place them on the side of the bodies and blend the ends in. Use a piece of white to make a small circle and line, which makes the egg yolk look extra shiny. Take a large ball of white for the egg white. We're going to use this to seal the bottle, so first push it onto the top so it molds to the opening. Then pinch the sides to flatten out the rest of the egg white so Gudetama has enough space to lay on it. Place the egg yolk onto the egg white. Now that the shaker top is done, let's work on the shaker fillings. First, make an egg by flattening out a piece of white and placing a small ball of yellow on top. Next, we're going to make the star. Slightly flatten out a ball of clay and use a needle tool to make 5 indents along the side. Pinch each section into a point. Make a few small dots to go with the bigger shaker fillers. Insert an eye pin and now these are ready to be baked. After the pieces are baked, first secure the eye pin with super glue. Then glaze the entire Gudetama charm. While it's curing the UV lamp, we go ahead and fill the shaker. Place the shaker fillings into the bottle. I want the liquid to be a bit glittery, so I'm adding a really tiny bit of silver mica powder. This time I'm using baby oil as the shaker liquid. If you saw my last video, I used coconut oil because I needed it to be solid in order to seal the shaker. However, we don't need the oil to solidify while sealing a bottle shaker, so we're using the default baby oil. After the bottle is all filled, line the bottom of the charm and the brim of the bottle with UV resin. Try to make it so there's a slight excess of resin on the brim. That way the resin will slightly overfill when the two are put together and create a more secure seal. Place the Gudetama onto the bottle and quickly take it to cure in the UV light. Here's my finished charm. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.